This brand is made in China by Midea and is sold at the Home Depot in the USA by Midea America, but their warranty is minimal when compared to other brands. The RAC-PD CRU models are for cooling only and use R-410A refrigerant, while the RAC-PD HVWRU models are for heating and cooling and use environmentally friendly R-32 refrigerant. The units have a 3-speed fan with auto swing louvers for improved air circulation throughout the room. They are Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled through their app or with Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The RAC-PD HVWRU models use hose-in-hose technology, which gives the efficiency of a 2-hose unit with the easy installation of a single hose. They use state-of-the-art inverter compressors which are quieter, and they have a 12.3 EER efficiency rating. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.